we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Ford's answer to the potent, game-changing Hemi engine was the 427 SOHC Camry, an engine that not only changed the game but also changed the rules in NASCAR racing. Based essentially on the 427 high-riser short block, the 427 SOHC utilized a forged steel crankshaft and Hemi head pistons.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.